In today's video, I'm going to show you how to recover a Discord account without email using a simple login method that can help if you still have access to your phone number and password. This is a quick tutorial for anyone who forgot their email, lost access to it, or just wants to try another way to get back into their Discord account. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. All right, let's get straight into it. First, open your browser and go to the Discord login page. You can do this on your computer or on your phone, and the steps are very similar either way. Once the login screen loads, look for the sign-in fields where Discord usually asks for an email address. This is the part many people get stuck on, but if your phone number is linked to the account, you may be able to use that instead. Now, tap or click into the email field and enter your phone number instead of your email address. Make sure you type the full number correctly, including the correct country code if Discord asks for it. This is important because Discord uses the linked phone number as a login option for some accounts. After that, enter your password in the password field. Try to use the most recent password you remember, since Discord will only let you in if the credentials match the account. Once both fields are filled out, click Login and wait for Discord to verify the information. If the phone number and password are correct, Discord should take you straight into your account. From there, take a moment to check your account settings and make sure your email, phone number, and password are updated so you don't run into the same problem again later. If you have access, it's also a good idea to enable two-factor authentication for extra security. If the login doesn't work right away, double-check that your phone number is entered correctly and that the password is accurate. Sometimes the issue is just a small typing mistake or the wrong country code. If you still can't get in, you may need to use Discord's official account recovery options and contact support for further help. So that's the easiest way to try to recover a Discord account without email by using your phone number and password. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you want more Discord recovery tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.